Welcome to BB Outdoors, and today we're going to be working on using this heat shrink wrap on our fishing rods. I'm going to cut it down and try it. Okay, got it on there. I'll turn the hairdryer on and we'll see if it works. So that seems to be working pretty good. It's tightening up on the front and everything. And the reason I wanted to put this on this rod is gray seems to stain quite a bit, if you can see that. The gray foam stains a lot, so we're gonna try to put another piece down here real quick. So that's what we have so far. I'm going to try to trim around this where the reel goes, and then we'll see how it turns out then. I got it cut. Now I'm going to try to shrink it up some more. Okay, there we go. It's just shrinking. It's not getting stuck, so I might try putting some glue in around here. So I got the reel put on here, and it does look pretty good. I got some hot glue on there for now. So now we have this Lew's laser speed stick. We're gonna try it out now. Okay, there we go on this so far. So now I'm going to try to put it on the butt of the rod. So I got this done and it does look pretty good. Well, thanks for watching BB Outdoors, and we'll see you next time. Hit that like button and please subscribe.